Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Barney and Homestead.
Hi, everybody.
Thanks for stopping by to check out the video today. We've got a pretty good lineup for you of two different things we want to show you today. Want to just say thank you to all of our subscribers who have stopped by, and thank you to all the new people that have been checking out the videos too.
For sure. Yeah, today we wanted to show you two different closet organizers. The one behind us is the Entryway. It's done and ready to go. And also the linen closet is also completed. So we wanted to give you some more updates on our closet series and just to let you know that we are moving along slowly.
Yeah, and they're even kind of filled up because we're short on space. So they've been filled and organized.
And working. They seem to be working okay too. So that's a bonus. Anyway, I hope you enjoy. What Barney's doing today is he's working on another closet organizer. This is our entryway closet, and it's not very big, but because of that, we decided it was essential to have an organizer in it. Actually, with all our closets, we did that, and we just worked on a design that we felt would work the best for this little area. So here's what it looks like. Just a regular closet. We just got the extra coat hooks put up. They're just handy, especially when we have guests come over. The entryway closet has been done for a while. And I just love these doors. They have turned out so pretty. And we get lots of comments on them when people come to visit. So let's just start at the bottom. The little boot racks I got off Amazon. And so there's one for Barney and one for me. He's out and about right now. There is a spare one here for, I would say, hikers or something short, because the long hang stuff would otherwise get right in its way. But we do have our long hang here. We just have our bib overalls here. But it would also fit coveralls or any kind of long hang. And then here, that's just where we have our winter coats. Come summer, we'll transfer all of this stuff into bins and put our summer stuff out. But we just keep a few extra hangers on hand. And then just our heavier jackets here. We have our town jackets and then our work coats. And then just our layers back there. And then down here, these shelves are designed for shorter boots or shoes, but we don't really need a whole pile. And then just some shoe powder, and I just store my purse there, and my hikers. I don't wear them much right now because I'm not working in the house too much. I'm just organizing and stuff. I guess it's work. I just don't wear that footwear, that's all. And then just up above, we each have a basket for our hats and mitts and that kind of stuff. Just our heavy outdoor gear stuff. And we've been using those baskets for quite a number of years. I just transferred them into this closet, and anyway, it's working great.
Just got called for lunch.
Hi, Barn. How are ya?
And down here too, the same way.
Yes,
Gotta
please.
put them to the wall.
Yep. Yes,
Put them
please.
on the inside. Great.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Just finished off Sam's linen closet there. Took me longer than I figured. Hoping to be on to the main closet already, but as I mentioned the other day, she's already starting to use the shelves because it is tiny in the tiny house. So we supported each one same as the pantry shelves. Anchored in through this gyprock into the plywood that we lined the closets with. And then these screws here go up into the bottom of the shelf. And we put one big bracket in the middle. And I think it's, like I said, 47 inches or something. Here is her plan she gave me to follow, 45.5 inches. So, followed it right down to her plan, what she has here for the linen closet. And just finished that off. Got a bunch of tools near yet. I'll leave them there while I'm working on the next one. And then 2 smaller compartments, and as I mentioned here, I kicked it back to 12 inch so that now her vacuum just goes in there really easy. And she can put her sewing machine in here or there or down here, wherever she likes. It's all totally finished off real nice in here. On these shelves, I put blocks in at that end. Same thing, supports underneath the shelf. And then I put one little tab just in the center. They're only 30 inches long. I put 2 here. And then from this side out here, you can see a cap screw here and over there. Put 1 in on each side, and then went in underneath and put 2 angle brackets in. Of course, on the bottom, I had to put the angle brackets inside the shelf because there's nothing down below to anchor to. So 2 here, and then 2 from the outside out here again. And a little angle bracket there. 1 there, holding it to the wall. It's actually very, very solid. So I know she's tickled pink and can't wait to fill it. I got to get my stuff out of here, get on to the next closet, and see what I can get done there.
So I painted the doors the same in color as the walls because I just wanted them to kind of disappear. I didn't want them to be super noticeable because we wanted the pine doors to be what we noticed when we were in this room. Even with the wood trim, we're just really enjoying the way this turned out. We just wanted them to blend more than anything. So let's take a look inside. So you can see that we've tried to use every square inch of the space. I originally wanted cubicles in it, but had mercy on my poor husband. It's just way too much work. And ultimately, you're limited in what you could do once you put cubicles in there. I only wanted a couple, but we both decided that it wasn't wise and it was a lot of extra work. So this closet was designed for our vacuum cleaner. We had to, fortunately, it has a handle that lengthens and shortens, so we always put it on it short to put it away. And then down on the bottom, I was going to originally use this for my buckets, for mop bucket and whatnot, cleaning bucket, but I decided that they'll go in the laundry room at some point. And this is just extra tissue storage, toilet paper storage, and that basket is just to house our bit of camera gear that we have. And my sewing basket. And then over here is just some extra towels and bins and stuff. My sewing machine. And the stuff that I've put into the corners is stuff that we don't use very often. So I have some brand new face cloths and dishcloths and stuff over there. And they're just my extras that I go to. And I am really terrible at folding fitted sheets. Even though I have tried to learn, I seem incapable. So anyway, I'd rather my sheets were tucked away and I don't have to get too specific with them. And then in here is just table linens and napkins and placemats, that kind of stuff that I don't use too often. So my iron is back there. And then here in this little space is my ironing board. And it tucks in there really nicely. So there's a home for everything. And then these are just not the heavy blankets. I decided that I only wanted the lighter blankets to be folded and shown. And the heavier ones, like the bulky blankets, the quilts and comforters, and they are in there. And then that's just my tablecloths there. And then the top two bins, it's just mostly for miscellaneous stuff. One is for kind of crafty stuff. I have really pared down on my craft stuff to almost nothing. And then in this basket here is just cloth bags for the really large ones that we use when we travel, which isn't very often, so it's up out of the way. And then in the far corner, I have two brand new sets of queen size sheets from Costco, so I just tuck them away and we'll use them as we need them. I wasn't going to get rid of those. And my pretty quilt that I made quite a number of years ago, I decided I didn't want to tuck it away anymore. So it's at the foot of our bed. So we continue to move forward on getting more stuff done in the cabin.
Yeah, it's actually, I'm working on numerous projects, and so is Sandy, all at the same time here. So we're just, as we get one completed, we're kind of showing you. Our next one that you will probably be seeing is, we just finishing it up right now, is the master bedroom closet.
So it's going to be, it came together really good, and I think you'll enjoy that one. It's a little bit different than the rest of these.
Yeah, and we've actually been using it a little bit even while we're working on it, because our clothes have to be somewhere. And it's actually, I really like it. I really like the system. It's working out very well.
It is. Anyway, thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one. God bless you all.
Goodbye. God bless. Bye for now.